How to see scheduled post on Facebook page. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see scheduled post on Facebook page. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just select the Facebook page that you want to manage under your profile name. And now here, once you have switched to that particular page, what you can do is you can just tap on the profile icon again, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is you can simply scroll down until you see the posting area. Once you are in the posting area, what you can do is you can just tap on manage post under your post, and here you will see published post, drafts and scheduled post clearly labeled. So here you can simply search for it, and here you can see the scheduled post very clearly. And that's it. That's how you can see scheduled post on Facebook page. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.